Hey you guys, this is Luffy D, and today we are going to talk about some basic Linux commands. So the first command we are going to talk about is cd double dot. Uh, cd double dot. Cd means change directory. Double dot means a directory before that directory. So when we use this command, what happens is the currently we are in the ported directory, which is in root directory. So by doing this, we'll go to the root directory, which is one directory before the ported directory. So when we do this, as you can see, we have come one directory before as compared to the previous line. So yeah, this is how cd double dot works. Now the next thing which we are going to see is the ll command. This command lists out all the file and folders currently present in the current directory. So these are the current files and folders which are present in the root directory, which we can show using ll command. So after this, we are going to use vim. Vim is used to it's just like a notepad variant for Linux, or in this case Ubuntu. So this is not actually a command, this is an editor, but we can access this editor using the vim command. So yeah, so to use this, you just have to type vim and the file name which you want to have, the name of the file. So let's give the name, I don't know, let's go with square, vim square. Okay, so after doing that, we press enter and we enter the editor. This is the editor of square file. So now to write something on this file, we have to either press insert key on our keyboard or the I key. I'm using the I key. Now I will just type some random lines. So one thing to note is, without the insert mode, we can't write anything to the file. So if I was to write without the insert mode, it would have not we wouldn't have been able to write. So by to now we will now we are not exploring much on vim on this tutorial. So I will just show you how to save this. Just press escape, then colon, then WQ. So WQ means write and quit. If you just want to quit without saving anything, you can just use :Q. So after doing this, just press enter. Okay. Now we have to confirm whether the file was created or not. So for that, we will do double N again. Now we can see square was created. Now the next command which we are going to use is mkdir, which means to create a new directory. So which is used to create a new directory. So we will just do mkdir, the directory name which we want. Let's go with space. Cool. So after doing this, just press enter. Now just do ll again, just to confirm that the square folder was created. So the square folder slash directory, whatever you want to call, was created. Now the next thing which we want to do is, we want to move the, okay, space was created, square was the file. So we want to move the square into the space file, space directory. So for doing this, we will use the move command. So this is how we use move command. mv, that is the command name. Then the file which you want to move, which is square, the text file which we are going to move, and we are moving it to space. So the path of the directory where we want this file to be. So m essentially means cut and paste. Now we just have to press enter. Once we do this, just let's confirm that it was not here. Okay, so we can see that the square file is now we are not able to see this in the same root directory which it was seen before. So to confirm that our file indeed went from the root directory to the space directory, we will have to first go to the space directory. So for doing that, we'll use the command cd, which is change directory, then space. And you can use, you don't have to write the complete file name. You can just write some initial word of that file. Like I use for space, I just wrote sp, then I hit tab. What it did was it automatically auto populated that file name. Okay, so now cd space enter. Now to verify, just do ln. So now we can see that the file was moved from the root directory to the space directory using the move command. So this was it for this tutorial. We have seen some Linux commands today, and if you like this video, just please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.